So today I'm going to be making a DIY Starbucks Frappuccino. It is time for the official taste test. Good luck, you guys.
It's time for coffee.
Hey guys, I am Danielle Tulo, Deputy Editor at 17.com. I am generally obsessed with all things DIY, especially lately because I spend most of my time on TikTok, so I am pretty much influenced to try everything DIY. If you're anything like me, you need to start your day with a good cup of coffee. Obviously, going to Starbucks all the time gets a little bit expensive, so this is a great budget-friendly option, a way to save some money but still have a delicious way to start your day. So I like to make the whipped cream first. This way when my drink is ready, it's not just sitting there because then, it gets a little warm. So at least then the whipped cream is ready to go. All that you need for the whipped cream is heavy whipping cream and sugar. That's it. 2 ingredients, super easy. I have my heavy whipping cream and I have my sugar. All I have to do is put it into a bowl and whip it up. So my heavy whipping cream, I'm gonna pour it in. Yum, sugar. And we just whip it. There's probably a way to be less messy. But I don't know how to be not messy. So now you have this ready, you can throw it in the fridge and we'll make our Frappuccino. All you need is coffee, ice, vanilla extract, syrup, and milk. I use oat milk, you can use whatever milk you want, and that's it, so easy. So I'm gonna take my cup of ice, and I have my blender, obviously. So this is a magic bullet. You can use literally whatever blender. You can even use the hand mixer that I use to make the whipped cream, whatever works. I'm gonna make my coffee. Again, you can use whatever coffee you want. I have my Keurig coffee. I do use Starbucks, so it's pretty authentic. And you're gonna make the biggest setting that you can on the Keurig. While that's brewing, I'm gonna pour in my oat milk into my magic bullet. Oh God, it smells so good. I wanna drink it all. Okay. So I'm gonna do the very obvious thing, which is pour my coffee into this. It's gonna sound so good because you're gonna hear the ice crackling. Ooh, don't spill it like I did. So once you have your ice, milk, coffee, all in your little magic bullet or whatever you're using, you're then gonna take sugar. You can add in as much sugar or as little sugar as you'd like. That is the beauty of DIYing everything. Next, vanilla extract. You want just a little splash of this. I love vanilla extract. I could probably do more than a little splash of it. Turns out that opening vanilla extract is the hardest part of this entire DIY. So vanilla extract, gonna take a little splash or 2. All right, it's blending time. I have this little magic bullet. I wanna say this was like $30 on Amazon. It's great, it's small, it stores really nicely. Oh yeah. Oh my God, it smells like Starbucks. Ready to go, time to serve this. I like to use a reusable Starbucks cup. You can use any type of reusable cup. They make so many cute ones on Etsy, honestly, but I got this one at my Starbucks a few years ago and I have been using it ever since. All right. Ooh. Yum. Okay. Looks so good. Now I'm gonna top this bad boy off with some whipped cream and some chocolate syrup. I think I'm a chef. All right. I basically, wow, this is so good. Okay. Why is whipped cream so good? Now I'm gonna take some, let's get this open. Oh, it's open. Okay, this I feel like I wanna be like a true artist with. Oh yeah, wow. Just perfect. A little drip going down the side. Okay, it is so delicious and so good. Oh my God. I feel like once you make this, you might not ever want to make a Starbucks run for a Frappuccino ever again. So if you don't have the time or the patience to do the other DIY Frappuccino, I saw this trick on TikTok, and you can actually just buy this, the store-bought Frappuccino. You can get it at your grocery store, CVS, Target, all the places. Buy this, pour it over ice, blend it up, and you have a Frappuccino. So I don't know which one's gonna be better, but I do wanna try it out. The sound of opening this is so satisfying. Oh, love that sound. I do love this smell. This feels like the Cheaters version. I'm not throwing shade at it because I haven't tried it yet, but it's cheating. But it's fine, but it's cheating. Okay. I'll get my blender again. See what we have. All right, it looks pretty legit. My DIY one is probably still better. Cream for the full effect. Oh my God, I can perfect these skills. Oh, perfect. It's great for a quick fix, easy, low lift Frappuccino. Buy I think you can get these in 4-packs, buy a 4-pack, last you a week almost. All right, it is time for the official taste test of these two. We have the TikTok hack store-bought version, which is really fast and easy. And then we have the true DIY, make-it-yourself version of the Starbucks Frappuccino. Good luck, you guys. They're both winners because they're both delicious, but for these purposes, only one can be a true winner today. Okay, delicious. Tastes just like what you expect it to taste like. True Frappuccino. Kind of really sweet though, a little too sweet for me. I might be biased because I like the one that I really made from scratch, but let's see. Okay. The verdict. This tastes more like coffee. If you love coffee, the taste of coffee, make this drink. It tastes like a delicious dessert coffee drink. Make this. If you want a sweet dessert, make this. And obviously make this if you are feeling kind of lazy, have this in the fridge and want a Frappuccino, go for it. But this I would definitely say is a true coffee drink, something that I could probably see myself drinking in the morning. Maybe I cut the chocolate syrup because that makes it a little bit more desserty. But yeah, I would definitely say this is true coffee. This is still really delicious because TikTok doesn't lie, so it is really good, but it's not the one for me. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see other DIY videos and have ideas of things you want me to try, comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to 17. I'm gonna go drink this and this.